The Aprilia RSV4 V4 factory stands as one of the most exhilarating and advanced superbikes ever built. Born from the DNA of Aprilia's MotoGP and World Superbike heritage, this machine blends race, proven performance with Italian craftsmanship to deliver a riding experience that borders on perfection. Launched as Aprilia's flagship superbike, the RSV4 V4 factory is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of dominance. Every curve, every carbon fiber panel, and every roar of its V4 engine reminds riders that this bike exists purely to chase speed and precision. For 2025, the RSV4 V4 factory refines its performance, aerodynamics, and electronics to deliver the most track, focused yet street, legal Aprilia ever. It's a bike built for those who crave the edge, for those who want MotoGP sensations with the freedom of the open road. At the core of the RSV4 V4 factory lies a 1099cc V4 engine, an evolution of Aprilia's legendary powerplant. This masterpiece produces a staggering 217 horsepower at 13,000 RPM and 125 Nm of torque, making it one of the most powerful production superbikes in the world. Aprilia engineers have fine-tuned this motor for both brutal acceleration and razor-sharp throttle response. The result, a bike that rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3 seconds, and can exceed 310 km/h, 192 mph, when unleashed on the track. The titanium exhaust system by Aprilia optimized intake flow and race-derived ECU mapping ensure that every rev delivers a visceral surge of power. Despite its immense performance, the RSV4 remains remarkably controllable, a true symphony of power and precision. This 6-speed gearbox with quickshifter allows clutchless up and down shifts, while the slipper clutch smooths aggressive corner entries. Combined with Aprilia's advanced electronics, the RSV4 V4 factory delivers not just speed, but confidence at any pace. The RSV4's aluminum twins bar frame is an icon of Italian engineering. Lightweight, rigid, and perfectly balanced, it gives the rider unmatched feedback and control. The adjustable swing arm and steering geometry allow enthusiasts to fine-tune the setup, a level of customization rarely seen outside professional racing. Suspension duties are handled by Ohlins Smart EC2, 0 semi-active units, featuring electronically controlled compression and rebound damping. Whether carving through twisty mountain roads or attacking race circuits, the RSV4 automatically adapts to deliver optimum grip and stability. Braking is handled by Brembo Stylema calipers gripping 330 mm discs, the same setup used in top-tier racing machines. The stopping power is ferocious yet beautifully progressive, ensuring total command even at the limits. With a dry weight of just 177 kg, the RSV4 V4 factory offers a power-to-weight ratio that challenges physics, creating an experience that feels more like flight than riding. Every inch of the RSV4 V4 factory's bodywork is shaped by wind, tunnel testing, and racing experience. The aggressive front fascia, sculpted tank, and integrated aerodynamic winglets aren't just for show, they generate downforce at high speeds, improving stability during acceleration and braking. The carbon fiber elements reduce weight while adding an unmistakable sense of exotic performance. Aprilia's signature triple LED headlights with DRL form a menacing stare, while the underbelly exhaust and sleek tail section exude racing purity. The ergonomics have been slightly revised for 2025, offering better comfort for longer rides without compromising the racing tuck position. The fuel tank shape also aids rider grip during cornering, making it easier to hang off and maintain control at extreme lean angles. Visually, the RSV4 1100 factory is breathtaking, a perfect blend of aggression and elegance. It's a bike that looks fast even when it's standing still. Aprilia has equipped the RSV4 1100 factory with one of the most advanced electronic suites in the motorcycle world. The Aprilia Performance Ride Control RSV system, developed directly from MotoGP, ensures precision and safety at every moment. Key systems include traction control at 8 levels, adjustable on the fly. Wheelie control AUK keeps the front end balanced under hard acceleration. Launch control ALK delivers perfect race starts. Cornering ABS EB enhances braking stability even at full lane. Engine brake control EB adjustable for smoother corner entries. Cruise control and engine maps 3 modes: sport, track, and race. All of these are managed via a TFT digital dashboard and intuitive handlebar controls. The Aprilia MIA connectivity system allows smartphone integration for data logging, GPS, and communication. Every system is designed not to limit the rider, but to empower them, turning even an average rider into a confident racer. The Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory is more than a motorcycle. It's a celebration of speed, technology, and art. It represents the perfect balance between engineering precision and Italian emotion. On the track, it's a predator, fast, focused, and unforgiving. On the street, it's surprisingly refined and composed, proving that extreme performance doesn't have to come at the cost of comfort or usability. Few bikes in the world can claim to deliver such a visceral and connected experience. Every ride feels like a conversation between man and machine, raw, emotional, and unforgettable. With the RSV4 1100 factory, Aprilia has not just built a superbike, they've created a masterpiece that embodies the essence of racing. From its thundering V4 to its carbon-clad body, it's the ultimate expression of what happens when passion meets precision. For riders who crave the extraordinary, the RSV4 1100 factory isn't just a choice, it's a destiny.